Good afternoon. On 17th of August, what we are seeing here is an MCX silver prices on end of the day chart, and some very interesting facts are revealed by looking at the chart, which will be very helpful for the trader in the coming times. As you are watching from the video, that in the last 4 days, silver has actually moved from 43,000 to 50,000. That is around 7,000 rupees move. So if you think that this was around 14-15% move, and so everybody is completely swayed away, what exactly happened to the silver prices and what will happen in the coming time. So this is our premium video which is highlighting few facts in a very simple manner, and these manners are a way in which you can understand that how we are going to trade silver from here. First of all, fantastic fact that our company was very much in the fray when this 15% move was there, and why we were there is were multiple reasons. Few reasons I will highlight. That this is a great trend line, and this trend line actually was broken up here. Also, what we are seeing that the prices were perfectly moving up, and once this region, particularly of 45,000 and 45,800, you can say 45 to 46,000, just this particular region was taken out, we actually became quite bullish. And as you will see that after that in 2 days, prices actually moved much higher. So this is the whole week. This was Monday, this was Tuesday, and this was Wednesday, and this was Friday. So because Thursday being the holiday, and so prices moved from one resistance point to the another. And the resistance point happened to be on 52,500 to 51,500. And these are very important things that we should understand that what will happen from here. Now the first thing that comes to our mind is 12th of April. And at 12th of April, the prices were around 51,676 when they opened, and then they actually had a fall. So the first thing that we are able to understand that prices are just 1,000 points lower than what was there on 12th of April. Second very important point is that the 15th of April was something very important. The volumes were huge. Prices opened at around 48,000 and actually fall below this particular level. So what this is a trend set week that we have seen that in particular this level of 48,000 has been taken out yesterday with very much ease, although albeit on very quite low volumes. But nevertheless, this is very important thing, and this is like a paradigm shift in silver prices, that 48,000 at anyhow should be hold in any decline from here. That is the first thing. And the second thing that we try to understand is also that prices are about to take a 12th of April kind of high. Now what is in store? This is the most important thing. Now what we see here is that a very interesting fact, if you really take this was a great support. This has been validated by apart from 12th of April, this has been validated by this, that 52,500 is a great support, and as you move it further away, 52,500 is again a great support here. So that's a very important thing that we are watching here, that 52,500 is a great support, and 52,500 and 51,500 is a great support. Next, what we will see here is that as we move further, we get a few important things, that apart from this particular 4800 point is that there was a clean fall of prices at this level particularly, and this was the only trading participation. If you go further, this 45,000 was again a simple trading participation, and this particular region has got very few volumes, very few participants left. So from the region of 45,000 to 52,500, the volumes are quite low, that people actually who have traded in this region, particularly from, if you take it simply from July 2010, there are negligible volumes in this particular region. So one important thing, I am rounding up figure, this is a key takeaway from this video, is that in the region of 52,500 to 45,000, there are few and far between. And this was the major reason that in spite of the fact that so many people traded here, There is no recency bias, and that's why we are still bullish, but still the prices in just 1 week moved up. And now what we are proposing here is that taking out 52,500 is gonna to be an uphill task, because then there is the majority of people where are trapped out there, and this is a supply zone, then this is a supply zone, then this is the supply zone, then this is the supply, and so on. So the first thing that we say is that 52,500 to 52,500 and 51,500 is gonna to be a major support zone, and prices will find prices will be much reluctant to really negotiate this level. So what we propose are 3 trading plans. The first plan, which is on the bullish side, that if suppose the prices negotiate back, and after a partial decline, if prices actually move past 52,500 and then remain above this level, we can obviously think that silver is in a real bull category, and there will be large number of shorts which will try to cover, and then prices are gonna probably to move to 60,000 level in a very near term time. That means somewhere around 15 days to 20 days. We have to be very mindful of the fact about that there is a great resistance as 52,500. Second trading plan is that we just assume that if prices cannot negotiate this level, what is a fall of the prices, and the fall should be actually arrested at 4,800 or so, and this is like prices will actually trade sideways in this particular region, gather strength, and then go bullish. So this is neutral to bullish stance. And the third stance is that prices really can't negotiate this level of 52,500 and 51,500, and prices start falling and actually come down to 4,800, where the whole bullish case will be stopped. And if prices are negotiated and they find support at around 45,000, so be it, and we will see it from there. So this is more a negative stand. So we have got plan A, plan B, and plan C. Plan A is very bullish, plan B is neutral to bullish, and plan C is negative. We will take out the silver prices. We will take out this analysis further as the prices move on from here. Thank you very much.